guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have a human hair kinky curly half wig for you guys. Today's video is sponsored by HerGivenHair. It's been a while since I've worked with them, but I've worked with them several times in the past. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching.
한순간이었지 bittersweet tell me not got me going crazy someone just tell me why 하나 둘씩 내게서 더 멀어지지 마 baby you 오직 너만 baby you 사랑이 없어도 난 네 곁에 있고 싶어 난 아주 잠시만 someone tell me what I need to do to make this feel right I just want you in my life keep you warm and nice baby I still love you 안 되겠어 이대로는 can I say that I just love you 네 모습이 아름다워 근데 baby I still
Alright, so I have washed this wig. I washed it and I styled the curls. I did some like finger coils with the curls. And I let it air dry while I was like taking a shower and stuff. This is what the curls look like here. So I do have short natural hair and I'm going to blend it with the wig. And this is also not my exact hair texture, but you can always finesse. So what I'm going to do is have my natural hair braided in the front. I'm going to first of all put the wig on. So I have the wig here. I'm going to go ahead and put it behind my braid. You can put your wig grip on as well, and I'll probably have to reposition how the wig is. I'm glad they have a drawstring in here. I'm going to adjust the drawstring and tuck that under. I kind of have it as like a flip over situation right now. Okay, so I have my hair out and I have a spray bottle here. I could use this curl mousse and combine it with this hair gel here. And that's what we're gonna do. See what works. Using the same mousse I used on the actual wig. I'm going to take some of this gel and I'm going to do some finger coils at the front of my hair.
I don't wanna believe there's a thing can you let me say it again I still love you 건너편에 앉아 있던 너의 모습이 아직도 난 잊혀질지는 몰라 baby I'm leaving you
Okay, so I went ahead and did some finger coils at the front of my hair and I laid my edges down. First I put the wet line gel on there just to get the shape of my edges, and then I followed it up with the edge fixer here. And that's what I have going on. So I'm going to diffuse the front of my hair and then blend it with the wig. Okay, my natural hair up front is dry, so I'm just going to blend it with this wig. I'm just kind of blending the curls into the wig. It probably would have been better for me to style this wig on my head instead of my mannequin head, but this is still working out. I'm just using my nail to blend in the root of the half wig. And I think I might have to. So the roots look great. I just need some more definition in the hair for me.
아직도 난 모르겠어 널 바라봐도 just caught in your love 많이도 난 널 좋아했나봐 힘들어 보여 옆에서 말했어 한순간이었지 bittersweet tell me not got me going crazy someone just tell me why 하나 둘씩 내게서 더 멀어지지 마 baby you 오징어만 baby you 사랑이 없어도 난 네 곁에 있고 싶어 난 아주 잠시만 Someone tell me what I need to do to make this feel right I just want you in my life keep you warm and nice Baby I still love you 안 되겠어 이대로는 Can I say that I just love you 네 모습이 아름다워 근데 baby I still love you I don't wanna believe there's a thing Can you let me say it again I still love 건너편에
Alright guys, so you saw the process of me getting this wig together and blending it with my short natural hair, and it was very easy to blend because my hair is not the exact same texture, but it's similar to the point that I could just, you know, finesse it and get away with it. I think this looks very, very beautiful, looks very natural. So I also tried to use similar products for the actual hair and my hair just so it would blend better. And this is the all down style here. I have all the specs about this wig in the description box for you guys, as well as coupon codes. So I'm wearing it all down, and of course I can wear it with a headband. So I'm going to take one of my headbands that I have here. So you don't have to wear it with leave out, especially if you don't have like thick edges. You don't have to leave out as much hair as I have. But I think it does look more natural. And I used to say this like during the height of the headband wig trend, which is going on 5 years ago. It looks better, but if you don't have the edges to do that, you don't have to. You can just wear a wide headband. I wear headbands all the time when I go to the gym. So I still love me a headband wig. So this is cute and easy.
있던 너의 모습이 아직도 난 잊혀질지는 몰라 Baby I'm leaving you 그때 했던 말들의 맴돌
Alright, so we have it with the headband. So since I have my hair, I'll try it like with a little clip in it. And I'm just going to use these alligator clips because this is some thick hair. And that's what I have in front of me. I'm just gathering the hair and putting the clips in.
Like I am so lost 마음이 그저 흔들리잖아 Someone tell me what I need to do to make this feel right I just want you in my life Keep you warm at night Baby I still love you 안 되겠어 이대로는
Okay, and lastly, I think I'm gonna do this kind of pinned style that I do with one of my synthetic wigs, since I have some of my hair out. And it just requires just a bunch of bobby pins. And it's just to pin your hair out of the way. Of course, you can do like a half up, half down situation. I might, let me see. I don't have a lot of hair, but you can kind of finesse it and kind of like twist it. And that's probably what I'll do. And it gets the hair out of your face. You just gather the middle of your hair and then bobby pin it. Pin it. If you have more hair, you can, you know, do more, but this is my take on a half up, half down style with short hair. And it's so cute. I did this last summer with a half wig and I loved it. So you just take some of your hair and gather it in the middle and take your bobby pins and you just start to pin some of the bobby pins going this way and then pin some going that way. A lot of my human hair wigs that I have that are kinky curly are HerGivenHair, because the quality is so good. And it's like, once I get a wig from them, I'm probably not going to sell it unless it's like super blonde or something like that. For example, this one right here is the Embrace My Coily Life wig. I reviewed this in 2020 and it still looks amazing. And I recently did a twist out on it and it's still in great condition. So if you're thinking about like, you want to invest in like a few really good quality wigs, you don't want a ton of wigs, you just want really good quality ones, just a few, HerGivenHair has a lot of good ones. And I love them because the texture is going to blend with my hair. So just wanted to share that. So this is cute. Okay, let me get this how I want it to look. This is a good way to fake a half up, half down style. It gives that illusion, but you don't have to do your like a full ponytail. And I didn't do this side of my edges because it wasn't showing with the initial style. So I'm going to take this gel here and do my edges. Just kind of mapping them out first. And just after I have the shape of my edges, I go in with my edge booster here. Is this edge booster? Edge fixer. And I layer it on, locks my edges in. This is so cute. This is like a really good summer wig because it's not going to require a lot of effort as far as like using hot tools and curling and everything. And you don't have to worry about lace because it's a half wig. And if you have you know, edges to blend with the wig, it's gonna look more natural. I'll wear a lace wig, I wear all kinds of wigs, but if I want my wig to look the most natural, I'm gonna reach for a half wig, or I'm gonna wear it behind my hairline. So this looks so cute. I had to add some more bobby pins to the side just so it looked more like a half up, half down style. So I added some to the middle and to the sides to give it a more lifted look. It's a cute little youthful look and it's out of your face. So this is cute.
I just love you. 네 모습이 아른거려. 근데 baby, I still love you. I don't wanna believe there's a thing. Can you let me say it again?
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in picking up this half wig from HerGivenHair, definitely check it out on their website. I'll have it linked down below. I'll have all the coupon codes, and I'll have a playlist of all the wigs I've reviewed from HerGivenHair over the years linked down below for you guys. So shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
I just love